Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, over the weekend, big Microsoft 365 failure. Yes, there was a outage that happened throughout the weekend. And, Microsoft says it has to do with a buggy update. And you know what? It is something that is a little frustrating, I say, because for people that use these services, and I mean, there's a lot of people and a lot of enterprise, it is often a source of issues. One thing that I notice in particular here is how the, um, Outlook email app, for example, in my Android phone, doesn't seem to get that much of emails some days. And it's one of the biggest complaints. It seems that the Exchange servers and the way that it works isn't always working right. And it all has to do with the way Microsoft 365, the servers, and all of the services work. And, it's incredible that such a huge service is so often having issues. It's almost a weekly occurrence. I mean, there's so many outages on the Microsoft 365 and Microsoft services that you kind of wonder how they can really compete with anybody else, because everybody has an outage here and there, but I mean, this is ridiculous. This is every month, and if not, at times almost every week. So this is what happened this weekend. Buggy update apparently that created all the problems. Now things are back to normal for the most part, except there's a few people that say that there is still issues with some of the Microsoft Exchange servers and getting emails and everything. And I'm looking at my Outlook on my phone, and I definitely have the impression that I'm not getting all of the emails that I was supposed to, or I'm supposed to be getting right now, of all my accounts. So if you had issues and or still have a little bit of issues with some of the emails and the Exchange servers, Microsoft is to blame once again. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.